Hello guys, ito yung project development natin today, February 12, 2026 here in Congressional Town Center, Tower 3. On this area, ito yung ating phase 1 which is right now in the basement number 1. So itong makikita nyo, yung concreted na slab na yan yung ating basement number 1 na phase 1. Now in this area, ito naman yung ating phase 2 which is right now is magdudugtong itong level ng ating basement 1 dito sa phase 2 ng basement number 1 din. So tuloy-tuloy yan dahil itong area na to is part of our parking area. So dito meron na tayong mga rebars para sa ating slab and also dito sa ating column and here dito sa ating pinaka core wall ng ating elevator. So mula dito sa area na to magdudugtong mula dito sa konkreto na to, meron na siyang dugtong na mga bakal para i-connect itong dalawang slab na to dito sa phase 1 at dito sa phase 2 ng basement number 1. So ito na ngayon yung ongoing development natin today, February 12, 2025. And also makikita nyo, meron rin tayong electrical conduit pipe na nakaabang para naman dun sa power and lighting dun sa ilalim ng ating basement number 1 which is the lighting of our basement number 2. So naka-schedule ng buhos ang ating phase 2 ng basement number 1 tomorrow at 1 p.m. So ito ngayon yung development natin today, February 12, 2025 here in Congressional Town Center, Tower 3.